This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. To hyperlink an image to a phone number in Google Slides, it's very easy to do. I have a little example project here. Say that this image right here I wanted to hyperlink to a phone number to make it a clickable link. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. I have the image selected now. I have the bounding box around the image. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Insert Link. I'm going to click on Insert Link. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, in this search box, you want to type in the phone number using this formula right here. You want to start off with tel, colon, then the country code. I live in the United States, so my country code is 1. Then you want to do the 3-digit area code, followed by the 7-digit phone number. Then you want to go off to the right and click on Apply. Now as you can see, I still have the image selected and it says it's hyperlinked to this phone number right here. Now you could test it by either clicking on this link here, or you could place your mouse cursor over the image, hold down the Alt key, and press the Enter key while holding down the Alt key. As you can see, it opens up my phone app. And right off to the right here, this is the phone number that I hyperlinked it to. It's already made out. It's ready to be called. That is how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.